Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make top knot bun hairstyles. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. So we have extension braid color 1, we have weave-on brush, we have rubber band, then we have thread and needle, we have brush, we have good to be gel, we have good to be spray. Then here we go. What we have to do here, we have to bring out our expression and cut it into 2. After that, guys, we have to stretch the braid extension, guys. Yeah, so bring out the comb to comb it very well, like so. Okay guys, so we'll be using our rubber band here to hold our hair before we will not apply the gel on it. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. So what we do here, we are going to be doing this weaving here, guys, just braids, doing this braid. After that, what we have to bring out our needle, just to sew it down like so, guys. Okay, please guys, one thing I must beg of you guys, please, if you really watch this video and you enjoy watching this video, guys, please don't fail to subscribe, like, share, guys, and press the notification bell, guys. In case of each time I upload video, you will be the first person to be notified. So what I'm going to be doing here, guys, I'm going to be using my comb, to bring out the baby hair like the way you're seeing right now, guys. Okay, so please guys, I will be leaving the link of my video in the description box, guys. Please don't fail to watch my video. Okay, so what I'm doing here, guys, I'm applying the gel. Just apply the gel, apply it very well. Okay, so apply it around like so, then the next thing that I will be doing, I am going to bring out my brush. Okay guys, just to smooth it and comb it well and make sure that the gel goes well. Okay, so I was about to use the same gel to bring out the baby hair. Okay guys, so what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just trying to bring out the baby hair because you guys know that it's not so easy to do baby hair. So but I still try my best. I try my best to make sure I do it. Okay guys. So when I do here, I bring out my spraying gel, just spray it around, and I bring out my hair tie to tie the hair, just to secure the hair, because I don't have a dryer. I don't have hair dryer in my house, so that is why I bring out this hair tie to just tie it around, just to leave it, let me say, for 5 minutes to 10 minutes, guys. Okay, so Here we are done. I hope you see the result of the gel. So I'm bringing out the extension braid, guys. Use the rubber band to hold it down, which you guys know that with this rubber band I can be able to use it to secure my hair, okay, before doing the hairstyle we're about to do. Yes, okay guys, so bring out the brush and make sure I comb it well, because I don't need anything that will make me not to achieve this style. Okay, so what I will be doing here, guys, I'm just I hope you guys can see the way I am just achieving it, guys. Just twist the hair, twist the extension, twist it round and twist it round, and don't put too much effort on it. Just do it calm and do it do it simple and simple. Okay, don't just put all your pressure on it. Don't use all your power to do it. Okay, just twisting it and slowly, like the way I am achieving it right now, guys. So that is how I will be doing it until I achieve this size, guys, which is so keep on watching, guys. Please, if this video is helpful to you, please don't fail to subscribe. You can subscribe in 1,000 times, no problem. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you can be able to know how I start and how I will be ending this video. So what I do here, I just use the wanted to use needle method, just make sure that I tie the hair and the threads together, but it didn't work for me. But I still continue and I make sure that I do it again and again to make sure that I tie the thread with the hair together, but it didn't work for me, guys. So I just decided to just use the hair extension to just round my hair round like so, and bring out the needle to sew the hair round like the way you're seeing it right now, guys. Okay, so I believe you will enjoy watching this video, and you are going to be liking how I achieve this hairstyle, guys. Okay, and you see, I believe that this hair is going to come out well in the way I want it. Yes, so guys, please don't fail to like, share, subscribe, share this video, my people. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be leaving the link of those videos in the description box. Please, if this video is really helpful to you, don't fail to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section and let me know what you think, guys. Okay, so this is the result of the hair, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't fail to share, like, subscribe. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.